MySpace is like Facebook. You can use MySpace to brand yourself. You can customize your template, another way of branding yourself. MySpace has a very high PageRank of 9. What it means for you is that your links will carry extra link juice back to your selling webpage. It has over 200 million users. MySpace includes a free blogging feature that currently Facebook doesn't have. Unlike Facebook, the profiles in MySpace are public, so you don't have to be logged in to see them. And the MySpace pages show up in search engine results with all of the content visible. Setting up your MySpace profile. In your profile, you can promote and brand yourself and your products and business. But remember, as with all forms of social media marketing, don't hard sell. Include pictures of products and links back to your site. But remember to talk about yourself. People buy from people they like and trust, not from companies. Be transparent and real. Be yourself. Use the blog to talk about yourself, your website, and what you're doing, and what you're promoting. And make sure that you post lots of interesting pictures and videos, personal and business. Marketing on MySpace. Use your real name. It will help you to build credibility, and as you're doing so, and you're interacting with people, help them to find you easily. Search for people in your niche, or people who have similar interests to you, and add them as friends. Make sure that you get involved. Don't sit on the fence, be an active member. Before you start to sell to people, build relationships with them. And when you're communicating with people, try to provide value. Use your MySpace page to promote special offers and to give away things. Comment and show interest in other people and what they're doing. Ask their opinions. Use subtlety with your selling. For example, hey, check out what I'm doing. Digg is a social bookmarking site, and it's free to sign up. It's all about content sharing. Has over 7 million users, and is a great way to promote your site by digging it. You can bookmark both your own sites, blogs, articles and videos, and let Digg users vote on them. How to market on Digg. Dig things in your niche that are similar to your own things. Don't only dig your own products and sites. That could look like a spammer, and you could be kicked out of the Digg site. Dig different things, videos, blogs, articles. Make sure that you dig about 50% of your own sites and products and 50% of other people's. Even though the links are no follow, they will still get you good direct traffic. Social media marketing with StumbleUpon. StumbleUpon is a social networking tool that allows you to find people with similar interests in your niche. People can then stumble your content. They can write reviews, send links for your content to their friends. The more reviews you have, the more views your site will get, and the higher you will appear in StumbleUpon, which will lead to more traffic. StumbleUpon allows you to build lots of high page-ranked backlinks. You can get more exposure for your content, your brand, your website, and whatever you're offering. And it's a great way to generate large amounts of targeted traffic. Marketing on StumbleUpon. Put your very best content on StumbleUpon. Give away something for free, something of high value that people would usually have to pay for example, an ebook, a video course, a software, or an e-course. Build a readership, a list of people who follow you in your niche. The more targeted your niche, the higher the conversion rates are going to be. And when creating your posts, include a backlink to your site using your keywords. Building a fan base on StumbleUpon. To find people, you need to use your contacts from your email account. You can go to that tab in StumbleUpon where it says Find Your Friends on StumbleUpon. You can also search for people by country and city. To do that, go to Browse People. You can search by people's categories and interests. Then you can create a blog using StumbleUpon, fill out your profile, and make a few posts before you start to add friends. Use StumbleExchange.com. Do a review for somebody there, and they'll do a review for you. More stumbles equals more traffic. Action with social media marketing. Create an action plan. First, list out all of the accounts that you want to create at the social media sites and create them. Second, find and join relevant groups in your niche. Third, find and add friends. Fourth, participate and interact. Make sure that your participation is interesting, opinionated, and even at times controversial. Don't try to be somebody else. Be real. Be yourself. That way people will relate to you and they will start to like you and follow you. It's so important to build the relationships first before you start to sell. And don't try to hard sell people. Just include calls to action. Share plenty of good quality information. Even give things away for free. Build your brand and promote yourself and your products. As you do so, you'll build recognition. You will be the obvious choice for information, for products, for services in your niche. Build a fan base. Create a readership. What that will do is create targeted traffic to your site. Aim for quality and quantity.